Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Well, in this video, I will just explain what you can find in this PDF, okay? Cognates are words that are similar between two languages, in this case, English and Spanish, right? So I will give you a list that you can download in case you want to have these useful adjectives. Most of them are adjectives, some of them are nouns, but I just want you to notice that actually, if you speak English, you already know a lot of Spanish words, right? All you have to do is change your intonation or the stress of the syllable when you pronounce it. And I'll teach you that. It's going to be really easy because all you have to do is put the stress on the last syllable, right? In English, it's accidental. The den sounds the strongest. Accidental. In Spanish, it will be accidental. Okay, so imagine you have your hand like this, right? And when the syllable is not stressed, I want you to just move on. But when you have to pronounce it stronger, do it like this, like it fell, like ah, okay? That will help you practice intonation and the proper pronunciation of some words, okay? In this case, it would be accidental, accidental. Then adicional, adicional. Then anual, anual. Okay, and that is the pattern. That's it. You just need to pronounce the last one, the strongest, the last syllable. In this case, it's tal. In the second word, it's nal. In this one, it's nual, right? It's that easy. Same with tion endings, for example, ambición, acción, acusación. Then we have IC to ICO words. Here it's also easy because you have the accent mark. For example, this one, académico, you notice that the E has an accent mark. So that is the sound that should be the strongest in the whole word, right? In this case, it would be académico, académico. Same with the next word, which is alcohólico, alcohólico. If we say it fast, it's alcohólico, alcohólico. And then same thing for artístico, auténtico, automático, and so on. Then we have ARY to ARIO in Spanish. In this case, it's always going to be the second to last. So if we count starting from the end, this would be the first syllable, yo, and the second one would be sa. So that's the one that should be pronounced the strongest. Adversario, adversario. In the next word, aniversario. Here it's arbitrario. Here I want you to try. Okay, and the answer is comentario. And the last group that you'll have in this PDF are AR ending words. For example, celular. Now if you notice, it's also the last, right? The last syllable that's pronounced the strongest. Celular, familiar, particular, peculiar, and popular. Okay, now as you can see, most of these adjectives are the exact same or really close to the English version, right? You just have to change a few letters and the intonation of those words, and then look at all these words that you already know in Spanish, okay, right? I would suggest you memorize whatever rule you think is easier for you to remember, maybe AR to AR. Definitely this one because there are a lot of words, AL and CION. These are, I think, more common, so maybe you can try this. Remember, don't be scared to make mistakes. If you run into an English word that you think might be pronounced similarly in Spanish, just say it. No one's gonna make fun of you, right? Just say it. If it was right, then perfect. If it wasn't, then at least you tried, right? And that's it. I hope this can help you, and good luck with your Spanish learning. Adios.